Hello guys, welcome back to MyGo Minds. So in this video, let's learn how to write a program where you can calculate years, months and days. So this is a program which is regularly asked for the interviews. So what is a year? So any period of 12 months or 365 days is stated as a year, right? So what about the operator where you can calculate year is into division. So if you don't know about the operators in Python, there is a video which is operators on Python. Please do go and watch it, and then only you can understand what does the int operator, modulus or division will be giving as an output. Okay, so now what is a month? So any period of 30 days, 31 days or 28 days is stated as a month, right? So what about the operator to calculate month? It is int division. Now, so what is a day? A day is nothing but a period of 24 hours is called a day. Now let us write the program to calculate years, months and remaining days. Okay. So let us take a variable name days is equals to int. So let us take input of days. So input, enter the number of days. So based on the input given, we will calculate how many years, days and months. Okay. So now how to calculate years? So I've already told you that we have to use of course days and int operator 365 days, which gives, why do we use int operator? Because it gives the integer value. It gives the integer value of the division. Okay, so it basically gives a quotient. So integer value of the quotient. Okay, so now what? Now let me take another variable which is remaining days is equals to days modulus of 365. Why the modulus will be using? Because it gives a reminder. If you don't understand this, guys, please do watch operators, then only you'll be understanding about what is the quotient and reminder, which is clearly explained in that video. Okay, it gives a reminder which actually calculates the days, right? So now about months. So let's calculate the months. Month is nothing but remaining days into division of 30, which gives the integer value of the quotient. Okay, so now let me calculate. So we have calculated now years, remaining months. See, now let me calculate remaining days. So remaining days is equals to remaining days modulus of 30, which gives the reminder. Okay, so let me explain you clearly what does this will happen. So see, let me take an example. If I take as 400, okay, so if I take 400, so 400 divided by 365. Okay, so what is the quotient will be 1, right? So what is the reminder? 365. So here remaining days. So what is the remaining days? The reminder will be of course 35, right? Yes, 35. Okay, so now months, 35 divided by 30, it gives a quotient 1. Okay, I hope you're getting. So now, so what is the remaining days? 35. So here 35 remaining days. 35 modulus of 30 is 5 remaining days. So we are 35 is not the remaining days. In order to get the months, we have calculated the remaining days. This is how we got the month, and using this and then we are finding out the remaining days. Okay, so now print years, and let me give years. Okay, so comma. So just copy this and paste here and comma. Now I also wanted months. Okay, months, comma, Again I wanted to put. So this is the value. See, if it is like 2 years, 3 months. So likewise, remaining days, like 5 days. Okay. So let me just comma days. Okay. So just copy here and that's it. So let me just execute this. So let me give this 400 only and let's check. See, 1 year, 1 month, 5 days. Because let me just 1 year, 1 month, 5 days. So here 1 year, okay, 1 month and 5 days. 1 year, 1 month, 5 days. I hope you got it. So again I'll execute this. So let us give properly. So let me give 600 days. It's 1 year, 7 months, 25 days. Okay, I hope you got it. So this is how you write the program in order to calculate the years, months and remaining days based on the given input. Okay, so that's all about this program, guys. And also for more such programmatic based videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friends. And for more updates, please also don't forget to follow us on our Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. Thank you so much.